Information and false details about the EVM.
See, then I would challenge Election Commission that last time in 2017, you had allowed the opposition parties to do some investigation with the EVM. But what had happened is, in that case, it was specifically told not to touch the EVM. So I would request, as a citizen of this country, that please allow us to touch the EVM, and that too, any EVM which we say, and that should happen in front of the media. And we will bring in our technical team. All the opposition parties would be there. The people in power would also be there. All the officers would be there. And give us 4 days, 5 days, rather than giving us just 15 minutes. Then we'll tell you, these are our doubts. This needs to be cleared. If nothing happens there, if all our doubts are clear that the machine is foolproof, then going forward, no one will speak against EVM or no one will speak against Election Commission. But to clear those doubts, at least one opportunity has to be given, because what we are saying here is not by our own understanding, but people are talking about it. We are just communicating what people are talking about EVM and the election process. So now it's finally with the Election Commission what to do with it. So here, we have questions that, like in Latur district, why most of the BJP leaders who have won from there have got votes 1,12,051, 1,12,368, 1,15,519, 1,14,110. In Nasik district, the number is around 1,38,000, and all the other candidates are around that. In Satara district, it is 158, and all the candidates are around that. So there's some technical glitch, or whether the EVM was hacked, or whether EVM was designed in such a way that it will favor the people in power. These are all our doubts. That needs to be cleared. And now if you look at the strike rate also, the strike rate of BJP is around 88%. So now they are saying that Ladli Bahin Yojana really helped us. So we compared it with Madhya Pradesh. In case of Madhya Pradesh, Sindhya ji, who is a big leader, who was with Congress, now is with BJP. Before 2023 election, he had shifted from Congress to BJP, and then this Ladki Bahin Yojana was brought in Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, BJP has a very strong network. Even after that, the strike rate of BJP with Sindhya was around 70%. Here, if you look at it, unemployment is a big issue in Maharashtra. Soybean prices, cotton prices, milk prices, all these issues were there. Still, the strike rate of BJP is 88%. So these are our doubts. It needs to be cleared. So if we speak in favor of democracy, and if we have doubts, and still Election Commission is saying that we'll go against you, then this is surprising. This is totally against democracy.